friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Matteo from Italian Brainrot. So first let's get started with the top of the nose, and we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then leaving a gap coming down on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this back around and then up on the right. Closing off the side now from that corner, arching this around and then in to block off the nose. Let's move off and draw in the glasses around the eyes now. So we're going to start with the outer circle. So we're going to curve this around and down, leaving a gap in the center, moving over on the left, replicating that. Now as we step in towards the middle, we're going to curve this around again, bringing that back in. And down. Now let's connect this in the center with the glasses. So we're going to draw in a small curved line. Stepping over towards the outside now, we're going to curve this around and in from the side of the head. Now let's frame in the top of the hat. So we're going to come over on the left, curving this line out and in. And then we'll do the same as we move over on the right, and we'll just end that at roughly the same height. Now from here, we're going to connect this together. So we're going to curve this line in towards the middle, both sides, joining that together. Now on the both left and right hand side, we're going to curve this line over and out for the top of the hat. And then again, we're just going to connect this with a nice big arch line, bringing this around and then down. And then moving down towards the bottom, let's curve this over and across. Now let's move down and draw on the side of the face. We're going to curve this line around and then in. Stepping down from that point again, arching this around, back in. Let's move down again. Again, as we move down, drawing in a smaller one this time. And then we're going to curve this around and in towards the middle. And then now let's close this off with a small curved line in the center. Let's move down and draw in the mouth now. So on the left and right hand side, we're going to draw in a small bracket. And then we're going to connect that with a nice big arch line. Let's move up and draw in our ears. So we're going to draw in a half circle on both sides. On the top, let's curve this line out and across. And then let's move down in the middle, arching that back in. Now let's move down and draw in the tie. So right underneath in the center, we're going to arch this line around and then up. On both sides, let's draw in a diagonal line coming out. And then from that point, we're just going to bring that diagonal line in towards the center. Now from here for the body, let's curve this line out and then in. Again, moving down, arching that out, back in. And then again from each corner, just curving that around and then in towards the bottom. Now in the middle, we're going to bring this line over and up on both sides. And then we're just going to connect this together with a small curved line right in the center. Let's draw in the feet now. So as we come down in the middle on the left and right hand side, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to arch this line over and across. For the first toe now, we're going to curve this around and down. And then moving back in towards the middle, arching this back over and in. Let's step across again, bringing this around and down. And now closing off the side of the leg, we're just going to arch this back around and then up on the side. Now from here, we're going to draw in a zigzag pattern, closing off the bottom of the leg. And we'll do the same on the left. Let's move across now and draw in the arms on both sides, bringing this out, back in. From that point again, we're going to bring this down, back up. And then again, as we move down, bringing that around and then in. And then from here, we're just going to arch this line down, curving that in. Now stepping over on the inside, let's arch this line down towards the bottom. For the thumb, we're going to curve this around and then in on both sides. And then beside that, let's just draw in a small bracket. Moving underneath again, let's curve this around and up. And then stepping into the middle, again, arching that up towards the top. And then closing off the wrist like we did for the legs, we're just going to draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way over and across on the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Matteo from Italian Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.